Here are a few quick ways to release stress. 1. Deep breathing *. Take slow, deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth. This can help calm your nervous system. 2. Physical movement *. Even a short burst of exercise, like a quick walk, jumping jacks, or stretching, can release endorphins and reduce stress. 3. Progressive muscle relaxation *. Tense and then slowly release different muscle groups in your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. 4. Mindfulness or meditation *. Take a few minutes to focus on the present moment. Close your eyes, concentrate on your breath, or listen to calming sounds. 5. Positive visualization *. Imagine a place where you feel safe and relaxed, like a beach or a forest. Picture it in detail to shift your focus away from stress. 6. Quick distraction *. Engage in an activity that takes your mind off stress, like listening to your favorite song, watching a short funny video, or chatting with a friend. 7. Aromatherapy *. Smelling calming scents like lavender or eucalyptus can help soothe your mind quickly. 8. Cold water splash *. Splashing cold water on your face can trigger the body's dive reflex, which can lower your heart rate and calm you down. Try one or a combination of these methods to quickly manage stress when it arises.